Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make something new, a bullet journal. This is the first time when I'm doing it. As you can see, I bought a completely new journal and I will start with August, and my idea is to make it all with lavender colors. For the front page I will sketch some lavender on watercolor paper, and I'm using watercolor paints, and then I will make a sign. Using black fine liner, I'm sketching the sign, Hello Lavender August. I made it before by pencil, but now I need to write it by fine liner. And I think I will give my sketch a black border, thin border, and this is going to be my welcome page. Okay, I couldn't resist, and I have to add some some shiny things. The purple fine tech paint, but it's not too much. Okay, so now I can glue it to my journal, and my front page is ready. Okay, so let's start with the journal. I'm going to sign Welcome August, and then I will sketch the view of the whole month. I'm adding some thicker borders. And I can't forget about the name of the days. The next step is remember about. First, I wanted to write big dates, birthdays, important dates, but then finally I am writing remember about, and here I'm going to write birthdays in August, including mine, my wedding anniversary, and some other important days. And I have some place here for another lavender flower. Now my goals. As you can see, there are going to be some bigger goals and some small goals. I have this block of paper, colorful paper, and I decided to use some dies with different sizes. Because as I said before, there are going to be some bigger goals and some small goals like, I don't know, drink more water, be more positive. So now I'm going to glue it to the journal. On the next page, I'm going to paint another lavender flowers. There are going to be one big picture and the small one in the corner. This painting is going to be a bit similar to the one from the front page, but not exactly. And at the end, I'm going to splash some paint on it, and it's going to be this beautiful purple pearl fine tip paint. Now I'm adding some black corners with my black fine liner. And now it's time for the small one, and it's going to be lavender in a pot. So far so good. I think I'm pleased with this small, cute lavender pot. Let's make some sleep tracker. My idea is to make small squares for all days in August, and I'll be writing every day how many hours I slept. But I'm afraid it's not going to be spectacular because with a small baby, my night is really short. Now something very important for me, I mean expense tracker. I have to tell you I spend too much money for craft supplies, so I'm going to control them. As I'm going to control my bills, money for food, clothes, etc. You can write whatever you want and whatever you need to control. I will write the total money I have, and below I will write how much money I want to spend for all of the category and how much money I already spent for it. I have some small problem here because you can see that I was using my alcohol markers, and now I can see this this marker on the other side, but I will use again my block of paper. I will cut it using my die cut, and I will write some things. And these things are tune of the month. I can write here my favorite songs, movies to watch, because I have a couple of movies, series, and I can't remember them. Books to read. This is very important for me. I don't have so much time for reading, but I have a lot of books I wanted to read, and notes. I will add some borders. And my final painting, lavender flower, of course. And this is my idea for bullet journal for August. I have to tell you, this is my favorite month. I have birthday in August, I have my wedding anniversary, and it's summer, it's hot, and yeah, I really like this month. So I hope you like my journal, and see you soon in my next movie. Bye.